In this video, we look at Luna Classic's price prediction. Now previously, this was our analysis over here. We said price is going to go here, could go into this region and straight to target. Now this worked out beautifully. Now how did we do this? We looked at the order book. Now this is where all the larger institutions or large players in the market are placing the orders, and this is all the different exchanges. So this is something that we will look into today's price prediction. So stay tuned. Now let's carry out some technical analysis on the chart. Now this is Luna Classic, and what we can see here, we predicted price around about in this region. We said if the 0.0009 area does hold up and people are happy to pay, we can expect an upside movement to 0.00010. And this is exactly what has happened. However, we have seen price come down, and this was one of our areas of interest that we had highlighted. Now, yes, price has wicked down. And what this means, there's a lot of heavy buying or buy side orders at this place. And this is something that you can see from the previous analysis also. Where do we believe price can go now? And what do we think is a good upside target for Luna Class? What I would say, as this target has been met, I am looking at more of an upside, let's say, potential to form. Now, where can this be? I'm looking around about the 13s region. So it's roughly here. So let's get the highlight. So this is what I'm looking at. And I will show you how we can confirm this. Now, this is what I'm looking at. So 0.00013 is what I'm looking at for our target. It can go in the 1.4s as well, which is completely fine. So now what we can do, we can move this little box and go anywhere in this region. Now, this is what I am expecting. The biggest question is, can we expect any downside movement? And if it is going to go down, what is the best price to buy it at? Now, what we can do, we can look at the order book. Now, on the order book, what we can say at 0.00009, there's around about 1.2 million orders. And what this essentially tells me, there's a lot of buy side orders there. There's a lot of momentum to the upside. Now, do I expect this price to hold up, which is right over here? Yes, I do. So this level will still remain. Now, you might be wondering what this wick was, and to my theory, this is mainly got to do with the new implementation of the code. When we actually look into the order book, 0.0009 is a beautiful place to buy. There's a lot of orders here, and I don't expect price to go down anytime soon from there now. So we can expect this to hold up. However, where is price going to go now? To the upside as your target. And from there, where else can we see price going? Now, on the order book, what we can say, there's a lot of orders at 11. So 0.00011. There's some orders around about 0.00013. However, what I'm really thinking, I don't think this level over here will hold up. So the 0.00011. Now, just to highlight, this is roughly over here. I don't think this is going to hold up anytime soon, because what they can do, they can remove these orders. So I think they're suppressing the price. This may be got to do with any fundamental release for the future or anything. So someone has placed large orders on the order book, and we can see this right over here. Look, there's around about 1.1 million orders. So they're suppressing the price. Yes, you can use this as a target, but because price has already been in that area, I am going to start looking at much higher targets. 0.00013 is good. I would say, and this is the original target that we got, or target 2 that we had before. Anything higher than that, I would essentially wait for it. Yeah, I would wait for it. I wouldn't really go anything higher as of yet. But from there, so if you've already bought in this region, that's around about a 45% increase. If you're buying right now, yeah, that's around about 34% increase, which is very realistic. Yes, don't get me wrong, Luna can have them 100%, 200% or 300%, let's say, runs in a day. However, we want to play very smart with our investment. The main idea is not to buy and sell. Rather, we just want to be accumulating as many coins as possible at the lower prices. Because I highly believe when this does move, we won't really see these prices ever again. We may see if there's another crash, but for now, I don't think we're going to see it anytime soon. So by the time it goes to its higher prices here, etc., and this is something that we discussed in the previous videos. So make sure you go watch it. We've discussed a long-term target. I think after hitting the long-term target, then we can see prices come down. But right now, I wouldn't really bet on that too much. Mainly, we just want to go in, exit out as well. So I would say that's a very realistic, let's say, price prediction for Lunar Classic as of yet. And yeah, if you guys want more predictions on any other currency pair or a crypto currency pairs as well, please put in the comments below or send me a message at shoaib.93 on Instagram. See you soon.